Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 3 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. If you don't have WhatsApp, you can contact me on my email. My email is shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the description of this video. And please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, and many more online courses. Let's start our training to solve it step by step. Excel Chapter 3 Simulation Training. Click on Launch button. This training will be launched in here. And please focus on my PC screen. I will do this training step by step. Select the range A5 to D9 on the Outlook sheet. Use the Insert tab to create a cluster column chart. You can see this question. Basically, in this question, we will select first this range A5 to D9. Okay. And use the Insert tab to create a cluster column chart. Go to the Insert tab in the Charts group. Click on Recommended Chart button, or we will open chart box, and we will go to the cluster column chart. Go to the column chart and then we'll click on cluster column chart button. Cluster column chart will be inserted. Okay. Okay, you can see here. Now cut the chart and paste into cell H1. Simply we will cut this chart and go to the home tab. In the clipboard group, click on cut button. This chart will be cut. Now we will click on cell H1 and then simply paste in here. Press Ctrl plus V. Adjust the height of the column chart to 3.5 inches and the width to 5.3 inches. Close any task pane if necessary. We will click on the chart and then go to the format tab. In the size group, we will set the column height is 3.5 inches and width is 5.3 inches. Okay, question is completed now. The next question is that question number 2. Select the range A5 to B12, D5 to D12 and use the recommended chart feature to create a cluster bar chart. Basically in this question, we will first this range A5 to B12. This range will be selected. So we will have to select a second range D5 to D12. Okay. Use the recommended chart feature to create a cluster bar chart. So we will click on Insert tab. We will go to the charts group, click on recommended chart button. Okay, so we will go to the bar chart. We will select cluster bar chart. We will click on OK button. Cluster bar chart will be created. Change the chart from a cluster bar to a default stacked bar chart. Basically in this question we will have to change the chart type. We will click on the chart and go to the chart design tab. In the types group, click on change chart type button. We will select stacked bar chart. Click on OK button. So the chart type will be changed. Move the selected bar chart to a chart sheet named bar chart. Okay, we will go to the chart design tab. In the location group, we will click on move chart button and then we'll click on new sheet. So we will move the chart to new sheet, name is bar chart. We will type bar chart in this new sheet box. Okay, question is completed now. Now I'm going to do third question of this training. Display the new job sheet. We will click on new job sheet button. Tab is here. On the new job worksheet, select the range A4 to B9 and use quick analysis to create a default pie chart. Basically in this question, we will have to select the range A4 to B9. Okay, use quick analysis button. We will click on the quick analysis button, go to the charts button. Okay, now we will select a pie chart. Move the chart to a sheet named pie chart. We will click on the chart in the location group, click on move chart button, and then we'll click a new sheet. New sheet name is pie chart. Click on OK button. This chart will be moved on new sheet on pie chart. The next question of this training is question number 4. Display the Outlook worksheet. Click on the Outlook worksheet. On the Outlook worksheet, select the range A5 to A12 and D5 to E12. First, we will select this range A5 to A12. So press command and then select second ranges D5 to E12. D5 to E12. Use the Insert tab to create a cluster column combo chart with a line on secondary axis. We will go to the Insert tab. So we will go to the charts group and then go to the recommended. We will open the chart launcher box and then go to the combo chart. Click on the combo chart group and then we will select cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Click on OK button. This chart will be inserted. Move the chart to a new sheet name is combo chart. We will click on the chart and go to the chart design tab. In the location group, click on move chart button and then click on new sheet. New sheet name is combo chart. Type combo chart and click on OK button. Then this chart will be moved on new sheet combo chart. Question is completed. I have done 4 questions right now. Question number 5 is that type new computer related jobs by 2029 as the chart title for the pie chart. Bold the title and change the font size to 18. Simply, we will click on the pie chart title and then we will type new computer. We will type here, we will remove this and then type new computer dash related jobs by 2029. Okay, and board the title and change the font size to 18. Select this chart title, go to the home tab in the font group and click on bold button. We will select this title in the font group, click on the bold button and then we will go to the font size and then apply 18 font size. Okay, apply black text one color to the chart title. We will select this title and then go to the home tab. Select this title, go to the home tab in the font group, go to the font color button, apply black text one font color. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 5 questions right now. Okay, the next question is that use the chart element button to display the primary horizontal axis title for the column chart. Type job title as the axis title. Use the chart element to display the primary horizontal axis title. We will click on the chart element, click on, go to the, one second, go to the chart design and then click on the chart and then go to the charts layout group, click on chart, add chart element and then display the primary horizontal axis title. Primary horizontal axis title, go to the axis title, primary horizontal axis title, and then we will type here job titles. We will type here job title. Apply dark blue font color to the horizontal axis title. We will select this horizontal axis title and then we will apply dark blue font color. We will go to the home tab in the font group, click on font color button and then we will apply dark blue font color is here. Okay. Modify the vertical axis so that maximum bound is 180,000. Keep the format axis pane displayed. We will right click on this vertical axis, click on format axis and then okay, then we will axis so that maximum bound is 180,000. Maximum bound is 180,000. Okay, change the vertical axis display unit to 1000. Okay, we will scroll down and then go to the display unit box and then we'll select 1000 is here. Okay, apply dark blue font color to the vertical axis display unit. We will select this vertical axis display unit and then go to the home tab in the font group. Select first this vertical axis title, go to the home tab. In the font group, click on font color button and then we will apply dark blue font color. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 7 questions, 6 questions of this training right now. Okay, the next question is there display inside and data label on the pie chart. Close the chart element menu. Okay, display the inside and data label on the pie chart. Click on the chart element button and then go to the data label. Okay, display inside and close the chart element. Use the format data label task pane to display percentage data label and remove the value data label. Close the pane. Okay, right click on this and then click on format data labels and then display the use the format data label to task me to display percentage data labels and remove the value data label from the okay chart. Apply bold to the data label. We will select this and then go to the select data labels, go to the home tab in the font group, click on bold button. Apply 18 font size to the data label. We will select data label and then go to the font size, apply 18 font size. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 8 questions of this training out of 11. It's mean I have done 85% training in my video for remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, web development, writing, math, and many more online courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. Click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Mintrap, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email for assignments deal, for exam deal, for quiz deals, for simulation training deals, for simulation exam deal, for midterm exam deal and final exam deal and for complete course. I am available 24/7 hours. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and it's my guarantee for 90 plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.